Some cars look like a great deal the moment you see the price. Low monthly payments, affordable sticker numbers, and the feeling that you're being smart with your money. But for many American drivers, that cheap car quietly becomes one of the most expensive decisions they ever make. Because the real cost of a car doesn't show up on the window sticker. It shows up years later in repair bills, insurance premiums, depreciation, and unexpected failures after the warranty ends. Today, we're breaking down cars that are cheap to buy but expensive to own. Not to criticize these vehicles, but to help you understand the hidden ownership costs before you make a decision you regret. In the United States, maintenance, insurance, and depreciation cost drivers far more than fuel alone, and these cars prove that a low price does not always mean affordability. Let's start with one of the most common traps, the Jeep Grand Cherokee. On paper, it looks like a strong value, comfortable, capable, and widely available on the used market, but long-term ownership tells a different story. Many owners experience electrical issues, suspension problems, and drivetrain repairs shortly after the warranty period ends. Repair costs add up quickly, and insurance premiums are higher than many buyers expect. Depreciation is also steep, meaning resale value often drops faster than competing SUVs. People buy the Grand Cherokee thinking they're saving money, only to spend thousands more over time. Next is the BMW 3 Series. It's one of the most tempting luxury sedans to buy used. Prices drop fast, and the badge still carries prestige. But ownership costs remain firmly in luxury territory. Routine maintenance is expensive, parts and labor costs are high, and repairs after 60,000 miles can be significant. Turbocharged engines, electronic systems, and suspension components all contribute to rising costs. Insurance is higher, and depreciation continues even after the initial price drop. It's a car that feels affordable up front, but punishes owners who weren't prepared for long-term expenses. Now let's talk about the Ford Explorer, one of America's best-selling SUVs, and often priced aggressively on dealer lots. But reliability data shows recurring issues with transmissions, electronics, and drivetrain components. Repairs can be costly, especially once factory coverage expires. Insurance rates are higher than average, and resale value doesn't hold as many expect. The Explorer works well for some families, but it's rarely the bargain it appears to be. The Nissan Altima is another common example. It's affordable, fuel-efficient, and widely available, but long-term ownership costs can be unpredictable. CVT transmission concerns, higher than expected repair costs, and declining resale values have affected owner satisfaction. Many buyers are drawn in by low pricing, only to face expensive repairs later. It's not always a bad car, but it's a risky choice for cost-conscious buyers planning long-term ownership. Next is the Chevrolet Malibu, often discounted heavily and marketed as a budget-friendly mid-size sedan, but ownership costs don't always stay low. Engine issues, electrical problems, and interior quality concerns appear as mileage increases. Depreciation is rapid, and resale value drops quickly. It's inexpensive to buy, but not always inexpensive to keep. Now let's look at a luxury SUV that surprises many buyers, the Audi Q7. Used prices fall fast, which makes it look like an incredible deal, but maintenance and repair costs remain premium. Complex electronics, air suspension systems, and high labor rates drive up ownership expenses. Insurance is costly, and repairs outside warranty can be shocking. This is one of the clearest examples of cheap to buy, but expensive to own. Finally, the Tesla Model S. Prices on older models have dropped dramatically, but depreciation remains aggressive, especially with frequent technology updates. Battery aging concerns, insurance costs, and repair pricing all affect long-term affordability. It's an impressive vehicle, but not always the financial win people expect. So, what can you learn from all of this? The payment is only part of the cost. Real affordability comes from understanding maintenance, insurance, depreciation, and long-term reliability. Cars that seem cheap up front often cost more over time. Before buying, research ownership costs, not just pricing. Compare insurance rates, look at reliability data, and think beyond the first few years, because once the excitement fades, the real cost of ownership begins. Which car surprised you the most, and which one have you owned that turned out to be more expensive than you expected? Share your experience in the comments. It helps other drivers avoid costly mistakes. And subscribe to DriveSense for clear, honest car facts designed for American drivers.